the urban local bodies, the officials from the deputy,
our future leaders, thinkers, and
Shadab IAS Secretary to the Government. Sentisan Sangma is on. These are the CH Marak, William Nagar Municipal Board. Please be ready to accept your award. Shri John Pray Sangma, Resident Para Municipal Board.
As you know that the Swachh Bharat Mission Urban was launched on October 2nd, 2014 with the goal of making urban India open defecation free and achieving 100% scientific management of solid waste. By 2019, India's urban areas were declared ODF, a significant achievement. The mission's second phase, that is SBM Urban 2.0, launched in October 2021, focus on garbage-free status for all cities by 2026, with enhanced management of wastewater, solid waste processing, and the institutionalization of sustainable sanitation behavior among citizens. To intensify cleaning activities in the spirit of the Swachhata pledge, the Indian government came up with the annual event which we know as Swachhata hi Seva, or cleanliness is service. This is a fortnight-long event observed every year since 2017, during which every citizen in the country is expected to dedicate their 100 hours toward maintenance of cleanliness. This year, to add flair and vibrancy to the movement, the Swachhata hi Seva fortnight is observed under the theme Swachh Mahotsav, meaning Festival of Cleanliness, thereby making cleanliness not just a duty but something to celebrate. I am sure that the town and cities of Meghalaya have also carried out their share of activities and more during this year Swachh Mahotsav. I am also sure that our workers are not doing this job only during this period but throughout the year, as it can be seen that our own town and cities are quite clean and presentable. We still have a long way to go, but I am pleased to inform everyone here that we also have a roadmap and a plan. Our state is one among the first in the country to have a solid waste management policy and strategy which was notified in 2019, and the only policy with a vision striving toward zero waste. All the town and cities of the state also have their own city solid waste action plan and city sanitation action plan, which were apprised and approved by the Swachh Bharat mission. The plan clearly spells out the various activities to be undertaken by each town and city within the specified time schedule. As a state government, we are also deeply concerned with the overall maintenance of cleanliness and management of waste, especially with the rise in tourist footfall and the coming up of the national game in 2027. But I assure this gathering that we are not sleeping, and already a number of initiatives have already been rolled out. The Honorable Chief Minister have already launched Mission Clean Shillong 2027 on the World Environment Day 2025 with a vision for a litter-free, pristine water and pure air city by the end of 2026. The mission document will be available on the public domain very soon. We have installed fences at vulnerable stretches of Umkhra and Umsherpi River and their tributaries for a length of 6.3 kilometers. We have also initiated Mission Zero Litter, a short-term intensive cleaning drive for Shillong City. Under my city campaign, we are engaging with localities and citizens of the major town and city of the state to work together toward achieving more than satisfactory level of cleanliness.